So the ingredients for today's healthy mango custard are banana, apple, whole milk, mango and grapes, and custard powder. In a pan, take a pint of whole milk, bring the milk to a boil. Let's transfer the milk to another container. This will allow it to cool down quickly. Now let's take 6 tablespoons of warm milk and then add 3 tablespoons of custard powder to it. Mix it up. Let's add it to the warm milk. Mix everything. Now peel and cut 2 mangoes. Mangoes, as we know, are rich in antioxidants, are good for digestion and supports eye health. Add the mango pulp to the milk. Blend everything. Cut a banana in thin circular shapes. Then peel an apple. Cut it into fine pieces. The apple pieces need to be very small in size. Cut a few grapes into halves. Add all the fruits to the custard. Mix well. Once the milk has completely cooled down, cover and refrigerate it. Take it out and serve. For more such healthy and nutritious recipes, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.